commissions made simple. Yes, this is Ashquaff from MMA Marketing. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review commissions made simple. This is going to go live on 16th December 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the launch will be there for a few days. And this is a good product for newbies to learn in and out about in affiliate marketing, how to scale your business. If you're a newbie, yes, if you are a newbie and if you're waiting to do affiliate marketing, this is a good course. Okay, this is a training course put by two ladies. I'm just taking you to the members area. This is the members area of commissions made simple, and these are the two ladies behind this. This is Kayla Arvin, and this is Imaren. And these two ladies are in this, they are not total newbies, they are in this field for last 2 years, I think, because we are all members of the Ministry of Freedom. So they have all gone through these years. They have done many work, they have learned a lot, and ultimately they got together and putting this work, these commissions made simple for you all, guys. Okay, good. Now, so here in the members area, there are tons of training for you all to follow, because if you cannot grow a tree overnight. Okay, we have to seed, plant, take care of it, then only you will see the results eventually. So like that in affiliate market is also, and if you want to make money online, you cannot do that overnight. Okay, you have to go through many trainings, many trainings you have to go, and everything these two ladies have put together in this bunch of tutorials, video tutorials. There is no need to read anything, and all the trainings are done by this Kayla Arvin, and I think I have Kayla Arvin, yes, K, as I know, as far as I used to call her K. Okay, anyway, for these are the trainings, all the trainings, see where they have put inside these commissions made simple. What you have to do is just watch and learn. And I think the product price is okay. I'll come back to that. And because if you want to do something, you have to do. If you do something, you will get something. And when you want to do good things, you don't consider about the price. Okay. Now good products are not cheap. Okay. You cannot buy good products for cheaper price. So you have to spend money. So for that, if you want to become a good affiliate marketer, yes, this is a good place. This is a good course to learn, because these two ladies have put their effort to bring this to in front of you all. So all these trainings are inside the members area, because you have to go through all these training one by one without skipping, without jumping. And they have only one upgrade. I'll come back to this, and I'll take back you to the sales page. This is a sales page of commission made simple, and this is not a very lengthy, and this is a very charm and cool product, and they are not promising that you're going to make any money overnight. Okay, because as I told you, you cannot grow a tree overnight. Okay, there are so many processes to plant a tree. You have to take care, and eventually it will take time to grow and flourish and give fruits to you. Okay, guys. Okay, now we'll see more about this. Take advantage of 2.3 billion daily users. No creating offers. You don't have to sell, okay, or worry about customer service. You either a part of the $6.8 billion game or not. People are cashing in 200, that is some day per day. Get it on it now, or before it's too late. Okay, in this commissions made simple, you will be given information that has been sold for thousands of dollars already, but you will be given a chance in the lifetime to learn what the top vendors and affiliates know. Okay, and if you wish, you can click here and grab this product. This is launched via Warrior Plus, so if you click here, it will take you to the Warrior Plus platform. There you can check it out. Okay, guys. Okay, fine. Warning: this opportunity will disappear once we reach 100 entries, 100th entry. Okay, you have the chance now. Price will increase. Okay, what you're going to get inside this commissions made simple: access to the step-by-step tutorial on how to become an affiliate in affiliate marketing, using tools that you didn't even know were tools, but this time they are going to work in your favor. Okay, this says, okay, you will be receiving templates to make your life easier. Okay, you will be gifted 50 different plus digital products you can use to your advantage. Okay guys, and to enhance your knowledge and get more commissions, I will show you, not me, those people will show you how to get noticed in the scare place called YouTube. It's not scary, it is beneficial when you know exactly what you are doing. Okay guys, this is the introduction part of this commission made simple. Don't miss out this win. Why? If you are looking to do to 180 in your life, this is the course for you. Okay guys, call me is alive if you want. I totally see the future and we are heading. That's why I had to hop into the game of making money online. I'm too much of a good person to just let my knowledge to go waste when I know it could literally change someone else's life. Okay guys, and these are the reasons why you want to pick it up. Okay, good. And if you use, if it's your life, you want a different results, you have to do something you never did before. Okay, I'm here to help people like me who see the bigger picture. Okay, I don't want to make more money because I want nice things. Okay, I want to make more money so I can teach my family, your family, and generations to come. That's what they are saying. Okay, I know many sounds corny to some folks, but life without dream is not a life to me. Okay, she says. Well, in my opinion, if you are ready to stop playing your life as it is was a game, okay, like you have multiple lives to spare, come holler at your girl, yeah, girls Kaya and Kayla and Imaren. Imaren, okay, that's it. That's more than enough. So these are so excuse me, guys. So these are the two vendors as I showed you before. These are the two vendors behind this commissions made simple. And we'll see what is Kayla saying. Kayla is an affiliate marketer, entrepreneur, and content creator. Her goal is to help people just like her who is ready to turn their life around by starting an online business. Today, she will be showing her methods and techniques she used to create profit online. Okay, Imaren. Okay, Imaren says Imaren is an affiliate marketer, entrepreneur, and Google Ads strategist. She loves helping people make money and or increase profit online. Today, she is going to show you some strategies she used to increase sales online. Okay guys, good. A tree doesn't grow overnight. Exactly. You have to nurture it and care for it. Everything takes time, and an artist is only good if they stay consistent. Okay, this journey is not going to be easy to. So if you think you can hit and quit it, you got to another thing coming. Okay guys, with the proper guidance and this dedication, anything is possible. That's exactly true guys. Okay, don't wait till it's too late to change your life. Today is that tomorrow. Today is that tomorrow. So pick this commission make simple from my link, which is the first link in the YouTube description, and you can get this product. And with and I hide and that's all. You can see this is a very, and they are giving a money back guarantee as well. And this is a very simple, charm, cool looking sales page. There's no who promises that you're going to make hundreds of dollars overnight. No, because the tree never goes overnight. Okay, the tree never goes overnight because you have to what you have to do. You have to nurture it, nurture it, and care for it. Everything takes time, and artist is only good if they stay consistent. Okay guys, so that's it. Okay, now again I'm coming back to this members area, and you have and now you have only one upgrade, and I highly recommend you to grab that as well. Okay, then you're very good to go with this training and take your affiliate market to a top level in coming times. Okay guys, these are here there again. I'm showing these are a bunch of training that you have here. You have to go through all this training, and while they are talking, then only you will get the full picture to go through and make your life easier with affiliate marketing guys. Okay, and with these products, with this review, I'm throwing some bonuses. All these bonuses are linked in my YouTube description. My first bonus bundle is that is idplr.com. Here you have 12,590 PLR products, which you can resell and keep 100% commission of the profits. Okay, and if you come to this product section, here you have free stuff. These are all free, you can download and you can resell or you can give away when you are doing promotions, because in affiliate marketing you are going to do affiliate marketing. At that time you have to, in this commissions made simple, you are going to do affiliate marketing. At that time you need products to give away to grab the attention or catch people. So this is these bonuses are very cool products, because these are good cool products made by genuine people. Okay, and if you come to the product section, here you have again tons. For this you have to pay a little bit subscription, but anyway it's worth paying, because all these are all good genuine products. Okay, all these links are in my YouTube description. And my other bonus bundle is, that is the reseller rights weekly. Here you have 728 products, and every week they are adding products. The best part is the download brand new products each and every week, and the best of all, to keep 100% of the money. Okay, to go get into this, you have to go through the bottom of this page and you have to click here, then you have to give your credential, then you are good to go. Okay, these are the two my major bonus, and there are so many bonuses also in my YouTube description. You can grab that as well, guys. Okay, all are coming, all I'm giving completely free. So this commission made simple is a little bit it's promising a product that you can learn everything from these two ladies and learn then how to do affiliate marketing as a newbie, because everybody want to earn money, everybody want to live. So to live you need income. So to learn something you have to spend some money. Without anything you cannot do, otherwise you have to spend hundreds of hours in the YouTube. That is going to be that's not, it will take you to nowhere. But here, because everything they have structured into a system, these two ladies, they have structured everything to a system. Here this is a system, here these are the training that you are going to provide you for a less than $20, as well as the first one OTO. They have one OTO, that is upgrade is instruction. It's because the launch is going to go in a few hours time, that is 10 AM Eastern Standard Time, and that time it will be all good to go. Here you have to here, yes, you have to click here and get this product, and as well as the first OTO, guys. So that's all I have to talk about this commissions made simple. It looks promising, so don't miss this chance, because you have to learn something. If you want to learn something, you have to pay a lot of money. Okay, now if you want to learn affiliate marketing, it's a very good, very high ticket pay course. But here they are going to provide this course, and but their experience they are sharing with you all in this course for a very less price. So don't miss the opportunity. Grab the product and learn and make money with the affiliate marketing with this commission made simple. I wish you all the best. This is Ashquaff again from MMA Marketing, and thank you very much for watching this review. I'll see you in my next review soon. Till that, bye bye. Have a nice day.